The New York State Real Property Tax Credit is a refundable credit designed to assist eligible homeowners and renters by reimbursing a portion of their real property taxes or rent. Eligibility criteria for tax year 2024 to qualify for the credit: you must meet all of the following conditions. Household gross income, $18,000 or less. Residency: you were a New York State resident for the entire year and occupied the same residence for 6 months or more. Dependents: you could not be claimed as a dependent on another taxpayer's federal income tax return. Property taxes: your residence was not completely exempt from real property taxes. Property value: the current market value of all real property you owned was $85,000 or less. Homeowners: you or your spouse paid real property taxes. Any rent you received for non-residential use of your residence was 20% or less of the total rent you received. Renters: you or a member of your household paid rent for your residence. The average monthly rent you and other members of your household paid was $450 or less, not counting charges for heat, gas, electricity, furnishings, or board. Credit amount: all household members under 65, up to $75. At least one household member, 65 or older, up to $375. If your credit exceeds the taxes you owe, you can claim a refund, NY taxation, and finance. How to claim the credit: if you file a New York State Personal Income Tax Return, complete Form IT-214, claim for real property tax credit, and submit it with your return. If you are not required to file a New York State income tax return, complete and file Form IT-214 separately to claim a refund of the credit. Only one credit is allowed per household. If more than one household member qualifies, you may divide the credit. Each member must file a separate Form IT-214 showing only their share of the credit. However, if you and your spouse are filing a joint return, you must file a joint claim on Form IT-214. Filing deadlines: 2024 tax year. File by April 17, 2028. Previous years: 2021, April 15, 2025 to 22, April 15, 2026, 2023, April 15, 2027.